Hi everyone, it's me Teacher J and welcome to another episode of Learning. Before we go further, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin yung notification bell for you to be updated sa mga susunod na videos na i-upload ko. So let's get started. So ang topic natin ngayon ay measures of central tendency. So, pag-aaralan natin kung ano-ano yung mga measures of central tendency at ano yung ibig sabihin ng measures of central tendency. In statistics, the most commonly used measure is the measures of central tendency. It is the center location of the distribution. So, ito yung ibig sabihin ng measures of central tendency. The three measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. So, ito yung mga ibig sabihin ng mga measures of central tendency. Yun yung mean, median, and mode. So, unahin muna natin yung mean. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin ngayon is to define mean and ano yung symbol na gagamitin natin sa mean, median, and mode. So, unahin natin yung mean. Mean, it is also called average. Okay? So, just like for example, ay pagkunin natin yung final grades nyo sa math, i-add nyo yon. For example, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. And then, i-add mo yon divided by the number of observations. Okay? And then, makukuha nyo yung average. Okay? So yung mean, commonly called as average. And this is the symbol for mean. Ito ay tinatawag na or read as X bar. Okay? X bar po ang tawag dyan. And ibig sabihin ng mean, the most popular among the measures of central tendency for it is widely used. And the sum of all numbers or data divided by how many numbers or observation are there in a set of data. So, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, kapag kinuha yung average nyo sa average grade nyo sa math, okay? So, i-add nyo yun divided by the number of how many numbers or observation. Next, mean, it indicates a point around with the value of the distribution balance. And it is also affected by extreme values. So, ito ibig sabihin ng mean. Okay? Next one is median. Ano ibig sabihin ng median? Median commonly called as middle value. So, ano yung gitna? Yun yung ating middle value. Okay? This is the symbol for median. Okay? Ang tawag dyan ay read as X tilde. Again, yung X dito na may curve sa ibabaw, ayan ang tinatawag natin na X tilde. Median is the value of the distribution which divides the data into two equal parts. The data should be arranged in increasing or decreasing order. So, kapag may data tayo, i-arrange nyo siya in increasing order or decreasing order or ascending order or descending order. The median is used when we want to know the value in which half of the scores are more extreme and half are less extreme. So, ito yung ibig sabihin ng median natin. Next, mode. Mode commonly called the frequently occurring value. Ayan. So, ito naman yung symbol ng ating mode. Ang tawag dyan ay read as X hat. Okay, again, read as X hat. Okay, ano ibig sabihin ng mode? The number that occurs most often in a set of data. So, parang kung ano yung pinakamadami doon, just like for example, in a data, in given set of data, kung ano daw yung pinakamadami doon na naulit na numbers, yun yung ating mode. Okay? Mode is a set of data can have more than one mode or no mode at all. Ibig sabihin, merong mga mga data or set of data na more than one mode or no mode at all. Okay? Remember this, non-modal, tawag natin kapag walang number na magkakaparehas, that's what we call non-modal or no mode. Next, kapag unimodal, may isang number na magkaparehas, that is one mode. And that's what we call unimodal. And bimodal, kapag meron tayong, or that is two modes, meron two pairs of numbers na parehas. Okay? Next, trimodal, kapag three modes. And then kapag four or more modes in a set of data, ang tawag dyan ay multimodal. So, tandaan po natin yun. These are the three measures of central tendency. Ang susunod na pag-aaralan natin ay mag-compute tayo ng mean, median, and mode for ungrouped data given the set of data. Thanks for watching. Keep safe and God bless.